What's up guys, welcome back to our channel where we unlock the future of finance. Today we are diving deep into the security of your digital assets. I am going to introduce the cold wallet of D'CENT. I will show you the 4 main features of this, and also we are checking out how secure and user-friendly this tool is. Of course, I will also introduce the website, show you where you can get it, and I have a little surprise, a discount code, so don't miss it and stay until the end. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. Before we are jumping into it, I'm going to show you the different products which D'CENT Wallet is offering. Because you don't only have the biometric hard wallet, they also have a super sleek card. We are going to check out their website in a second. So we are here on their website, and as you can see, we have the product section. They have 2 different types of hard wallets, which is super nice because they also provide 2 different price classes. That means for you, you can choose the cheaper one, which is a D'CENT all-in-one wallet. It's sleek like a credit card and super easy to use. It all comes for just $38, so it's way cheaper, but also you have the possibility to put it in your wallet and have it always with you. You can also go to the biometric wallet, and I am going to explain the main features of this wallet in a second. But first of all, I will give you a brief overview. We have the biometric wallet, which is super user-friendly, and you can access it just with your fingerprint. You will be able to approve transactions within seconds and instantly just with your fingerprint. It comes for a price of $139, but if you wait until the end, we have a discount code for you. And that's just because you are part of the amazing community. So please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to never miss any video again. So we have 2 different types of cold wallet, but that's not all. They also have a mobile app, which you can get on the Google Store, but also on the App Store. And it's super nice because you have the 2 hard wallets plus your software wallet all in one. So you can always check how it's going with your crypto investment just from your phone. Let's kick things off with the most important part of a wallet, security. In this wallet, you get the state of the art because you have not only a certified security chip, but also a top-notch encryption. You can access your wallet with the biometrical sensors, so that means that just a fingerprint is enough to approve any transaction. It's the most user-friendly cold wallet on the market because you have the easy 4-button interface. It's easy to navigate, and also you can download the mobile app and you can manage all your favorite coins within one app and your cold wallet. We also have the possibility to access a huge amount of supported coins. We can check them out here. They have a huge list of over 3,480 coins over 61 networks. Make sure to check it out because it's state of the art in the crypto scene. You know, it's the most important part to keep your crypto safe. Not only being smart with selection, but also keeping them safe will make you a better investor. Make sure to check out their website because you can not only find all the supported coins, their different products, all the instructions for the mobile app, but also they provide you with an academy and a guide how to use crypto, what is blockchain, and so on. We can check it out. It's super easy to understand and made for everyone. Last but not least, we have a discount code for you. Because you are a part of this amazing community, we have a special offer for you. You will get 20% off with our code, which is down in the description box, and you can use it for 1 month. So you better act fast to get 20% off this amazing cold wallet from D'CENT, just to be sure that your cryptos are safe. I'm super happy that you watched this video until the end. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button, and we will see each other next time.